Here they are a week later. And I believe it's the carrots. This is about 2 weeks almost. Going pretty good. So we've been eating them, giving some away, and there's still too many. Now look at the sizes they come in. That's the extremes there. I'm quite happy. So the garden's going quite well, bar the broccoli and cauliflower. And I'm kind of thinking I'll just remove them and plant something else. I mean, I like them, but it's too much work. Other stuff that's been going on, I should have done it before and after, but I cleaned up all this, and that's all the stuff I took off the tomatoes and all the other weeds growing. I'm getting a lot of tomatoes and there's still quite a few to go, but hopefully in the next couple months all of this will be clear and I'll start a whole new batch of something, a crop of something. Yeah, I mean, not much else going on other than that. I am not happy with the dog right now. Just a bit of an update on the garden. Obviously Sadie over there dug up this, but I've put 2 tomatoes back and we only lost 1 beetroot I believe and 1 carrot. Silver beet's all good. Here's the other garden. Mostly tomatoes, a couple beetroot over there somewhere, a little bit of lettuce. You may notice these. Got pears, plum, and peach. Yeah. So, at some point, I'm going to plant them maybe somewhere around there, but protect them from dogs and such. Yeah, should be good. For the pears, I need to get a different type as well as this, so they can cross-pollinate, I think. Yeah. But that's alright. So I've planted the peach tree just over here by the garden. This is to hopefully keep the dogs off it and damaging it when they run around. It still gets plenty of sun. Should be all good. So these have been going for a week or two, well mainly this one. There's tomatoes here from seeds I got off the tomatoes I've grown. Some capsicum seeds from the store. Some jalapenos from online. And all these are different types of silver beet. These I planted 4 days ago or something, so still got heaps of time to come up. And I think I'll be planting the tomatoes sometime soon. Not sure how long they can last in there. Yeah, so these, or some of these, will go on the old garden bed once that's clear. So just earlier I noticed a wee little creature poking its little head out there. So I got my slug gun, waited here for about 10 minutes, saw him come back along there, back under there, and I shot him in the head. Wasn't a completely instant kill, but he did die fairly quickly. I just put in a few more slugs for good measure, and I get him out there before he starts stinking, or she. Yeah, not the most pleasant part of owning poultry, but I think it goes with having food around, so definitely can't let him continue that. For one, he's eating the food, and two, I think if rats get big enough they can attack the chickens, and I don't know about the ducks because they're a bit bigger, but definitely don't want them around, so got rid of them. There he is. I did get him in the, well, I guess it's the face, which is why I sort of ran away for a bit. But yeah, it was over in 20 seconds or so, and certainly didn't enjoy it. And I like to think if you kill something you should eat it or bury it, and I'm not fucking eating them, so I'll bury him somewhere, probably next to the rat I killed a year or so ago. Rest in peace.